Hello everybody, I'm Miss Allie and I want to share with you some of the new books that have just been coming in that we're excited to see here. These are early readers, easy chapter books, beginner chapter books, and it's just a small selection of what we've had coming in, and I'll tell you quickly about them. We have Geronimo Stilton. This is the graphic novel. It's a little bit different because the illustrator is Tom Engelberger, who also did Origami Yoda, and so the graphics are a little bit different in here. It has a bit more of a feel of Dogman. So that one's called Geronimo Stilton, the graphic novel. We have Go Away Unicorn, if you like the television series. We've got Magic on the Map. Now, I don't know about you, but I've always wanted to have a camper van, and this one is magic. And even though we can't travel at the moment very easily, this one will take you all around the states in this series. The first one they go to is a Colorado ranch, so that's a new series. And another new series we have is Mir Mayhem. Hi, I'm Mir, and I've got a super secret. All my life I thought I was ordinary, but I just found out that I'm a superhero. So if you want to check that out, we have lots of books in that brand new series for you to read. And the first page is really fun to read. It gets you hooked right away. And if you want something that's new but a classic, we have Mercy Watson. Mercy Watson, The Pig Next Door, by Kate DiCamillo. She is a award-winning author, really good. So if you know Mercy Watson, you'll want to read this book. And if you don't know Mercy Watson, try it out. Lots of other kids like it too. And that's it for early readers. So here's a reminder, we are doing grab and go books, and easy chapters are one of the categories, and you can choose 10 books for those grab and go bags.